What's up guys? It's another day and another tutorial video on my channel. I have a viewer telling me if I can do a video on how to connect a microphone on their smartphone, whether it's a lapel microphone or condenser microphone. Yeah, you can connect this on your smartphone. You need a cable, TRRS cable.
This is getting a little complicated, Rocco.
I'm gonna show you right here. I bought this in CDR King. I bought this for only 50 pesos last year. Okay, how do I know this is a TRRS cable? It has 3 lines. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, wait for a while. Look at that. It has 3 rings or 3 lines like that. And also, this will separate your microphone and your headphone input. And you're going to plug this on your smartphone. Easy as that. Okay. So let's try to connect this condenser microphone. All we know that this condenser microphone needs a phantom power or a sound card, USB sound card, whether it's 5.1 or 7.1, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to try to connect this condenser microphone on this smartphone, and let's see if it will work. Okay, so be right back guys, and let's try it.
Few inches later.
Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna plug this condenser microphone on this smartphone using the TRRS cable, which is, where's my cable? My freaking cable is, it's over here. So I'm gonna connect this one. Right now I'm still using the built-in microphone on my smartphone. So how's the audio? There's a background noise, right? There's motorcycle passing by, there's people outside. It's kind of loud. Okay, so now let's try to connect this. Okay, so I hope it will work, and let's test it. Okay, by the way, this is a raw audio recording, video and audio recording. I will not enhance the audio. I want to test this BM-800 without any audio enhancement using my smartphone. That's the correct term there. Okay, so now let's try and let's test it. Okay, so be right back.
Few inches later.
So right now guys, I'm using this condenser microphone BM-800. I connect it directly to my smartphone using the TRRS cable. Okay, so how's the audio? It's working, right? And yeah, it's amazing. I don't have a phantom power, neither a USB sound card. I plug it directly to my smartphone using that TRRS cable. So mic test 1 2 3 4 5. Mic test 1 2 3 4 5. So I think it's working. It's amazing. So right now, yeah, you can use your smartphone and plug, if you have a lapel microphone, condenser microphone, dynamic microphone, it doesn't matter, it will work using this TRRS cable. Yeah, I mentioned that already. This is just a short tutorial, by the way. And also, before I forget, I'm using open camera in Android because my the built-in video recording on my smartphone cannot recognize this external microphone or this BM-800. What's nice of this open camera, you can select a audio source, whether if you're using external microphone or the built-in microphone. So that's why I'm using open camera. You can download it for free. I don't know if iOS has open camera. Maybe. I'm not using iOS or a iPhone. Okay, so yeah, it's a short tutorial, by the way, and Again, if you're new on to my channel, give me thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Parang nabaliktad ata. And by the way, I'm recording the audio raw recording, no audio enhancement. Okay, this is a raw recording. Again, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, and see you on my next video tutorial. I don't know when. Okay, so kind of busy also because I have lots of clients to handle. So yeah, thanks again, and see you on my next video. God bless and bye for now. Bye.